What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Second Passport. This week, when I was researching buying a home, I discovered this financing program that I didn't know existed. And it's super interesting with super low mortgage interest rates. And it's something that might interest foreigners, right, who are interested in buying property here in Ecuador. Now, first of all, what is the name of this program? This program is called VIP, VIP, not very important person. I don't know what it stands for, but something. And it's called a credit VIP. And basically the housing project that you're interested in buying into needs to be affiliated to this system in order for you to apply. And you can apply for a credit VIP in a bank like Mutualista Pichincha here or Banco Pichincha. There's a few here in Ecuador that deal with the VIP credit program. So this is for a $73,000 loan, right, for like a $78,000 house that I just looked at in Tumbaco and I did a video on a couple days ago, right? If you want to check that out. That housing project is a part of this VIP program that I'm talking about. I'll link to it in the description below that other video in case you'd like to check it out. But basically, I've never seen this in Ecuador before, but you can get a 95-5 loan. That is, you only have to put 5% down on the property, and you can take the loan out on 95%. And also, the bank official that I spoke to told me that you can prepay the loan with no penalties at any time, if you wish, right? And the interest you get, it's a 300-month loan, so is that 25 years? And for instance, on the $73,000 house, you'd have to pay. You can take the loan out on $69,350. So your down payment would be a little under $4,000. And yes, this amount of money can buy you a pretty decent house in a decent area here in Ecuador, in a gated community type thing, right? So on about $70,000 loaned, it offered for 25 years at 4.88%. That's just a point or two above what you can get right now in North America. So it's a pretty amazingly cheap loan in that regard. Your monthly quota with home insurance included would be $489.54, right, for this house here in Ecuador, in the VIP program. Now, pretty amazing. I've never seen this before. And in a country where you can leave a CD at 7-8%, sometimes even 9% or more, if you leave it for a full year, in institutions like this, Mutualista Pichincha, I asked them, how can they offer that? And they said it's a special government subsidized program where a large amount of the funds actually comes from abroad. Interesting enough for this program, right? So what are the requirements in order for you to apply for this VIP program? It's all over Ecuador, but primarily kind of in and around the major cities of Ecuador with the different housing projects that are validated and in this program, right? The VIP program. Pretty straightforward. You need this to be your first home in Ecuador, right? Not too hard for most of us. And this is the second part. You need to be a natural-born Ecuadorian or a naturalized Ecuadorian like myself, hence the name Mr. Second Passport. So a lot of people ask me, what are the benefits of getting the second passport? Well, this is one of them, right? You would apply for programs like this. So you can apply for a program like this to get an ultra cheap loan here in Ecuador. And for a $73,000 loan, you would need to have show a maximum income of $2,500, no more, and a minimum of about $1,500. But that's a little flexible, right? It's a little flexible, and it varies on the amount you want to get loaned to you, right? So if you want to borrow less money, then you can show less income, maybe just slightly over $1,000 in this case, for maybe $40,000 or $50,000. So pretty amazing. And these are the documents you need to show. You need to fill in this form with this bank, Mutualista Pichincha, and make copies of your cedulas, your Ecuador ID cards, and you need your marriage certificate if it applies, and you need to have a copy of your RUC and copies of any other properties you may have in Ecuador, their titles, 2 references, and a bank reference, along with the 3 last months of bank account movements, and a copy of your tax returns here in Ecuador, if it applies for 2018, 19, and 20. Right? Is they do accept sources of income. If you don't have any income in Ecuador, they do accept a source of income from abroad. You just need to show your pension letter. Here it is, right in the handwriting of the bank officer that I spoke to. And you just need to show your last income tax statement from the US, right, for 2020 or whatever. And this can be pretty much investments, a rental contract, she said, not just pensions. Pretty much anything goes to show your foreign income, or show a foreign income that fits into that kind of narrow income bracket in order to qualify for this loan. So there you have it. This is one loan program that would be an option for us foreigners who have become naturalized Ecuadorian citizens. I'm Mr. Second Password. If you like that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button below to be notified of more videos just like this. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button. Take care.